This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to do breathing exercises to open up that rib cage. This can help with neck, shoulder, and mid-back pain. Get those shoulders down and back. Take a slow and steady breath for the count of 6. Make sure that your shoulders and neck stay still while you do this or it won't work as well. Hold for 4 to let those muscles in between your ribs stretch out. Then exhale slowly. Do this 4 to 6 times. You may feel lightheaded, so make sure to do this seated. And if you get too done and start to feel lightheaded, go back to your normal breathing weight until it passes and just pick it up where you left off. If you want to kick it up a notch, you can stretch like this while you do the breathing. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, you know to do all the things. Reach out if you have any questions.